What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Files back here with a brand new one for you. Today we are going to be talking about how to make money trading NFTs. Now, a lot of you guys already know what NFTs is all about, but today I'm going to show you how you can actually make money. I'm going to show you the exact steps that I use to make money trading NFTs. Before I do get into the video, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and with all that being said, let's just get right into this and let's make some money. So the first thing you need to do is actually follow these simple steps. Now, I've divided these steps into 4 different steps, right? These are very simple, very user-friendly. You can do this on your smartphone. You can do this on your laptop. Wherever it is you are, you can do this. The first thing you need to do is create a Twitter account. As you can see on my page right now, I am on my Twitter account. And as you can see, I've tweeted a lot because this is the Twitter handle. This is actually my official Twitter handle, but it's turned into something else. I'm using this Twitter handle for airdrops, for everything, for getting giveaways and whitelist and all of that. So all for making money. This is my only Twitter account, right? So once you set up your Twitter account, the next thing for you to do is set up a Discord account as well. Now, a Discord account is something similar to a messaging app, just like Telegram. So a Discord account is very, very important in this. So you need to get yourself a Discord account. Mind you, you can do this on your smartphone as well. So once your Discord account is set up as well, you need to create a MetaMask wallet as well. So most of you guys already have MetaMask wallets. So all you need to do is just keep that in mind that you need your MetaMask wallet. So once those 3 steps are done, you need to go over to the next step, which is to get connected, right? So now we cannot just create accounts and expect our NFTs to start coming into our wallets. No, we have to do some research and we have to get some projects that we know that are going to do well and get them into our whitelist and all of that. So now, when you are doing your research, you need to be very, very cautious, right? There are a lot of scam projects on Twitter, and Twitter is the main platform for you to do your research. Once you come over to Twitter, you need to follow a specific some specific people in the Twitter space. So those people are going to bring in more content about NFTs into your For You page or into your Twitter handle, Twitter page or whatever. So the first person I would recommend you follow is I think AI Arena or something. So this project right here is coming up very, very soon. And once you start following projects like this, or you can follow this one as well, senserobotica.ai. So these are projects that are coming up very soon. I know you don't understand what I'm saying right now, but very, very soon you will understand what I'm saying. So Sense Robotica, you can see their username. I'll leave links to their Twitter handles where you can follow them. So just follow them. This right here. Follow AI Arena as well. So these are projects that are coming up very, very soon, and these are the Lambos of the NFT space. You need to get yourself some whitelist spots so you can participate in this NFT. So before we do get into any more further details, because I'm starting to speak a little bit of Spanish, you can see this is a game. Basically, they are building a game, and this could change the NFT world. You need to get into projects like this, projects that look promising like this, that are actually building something, not just projects that are creating pictures and expecting people to pay large sums of money for their pictures. So once you are able to create your Twitter page to look something like this, you can see on my Twitter page that I'm seeing a lot of NFTs, a lot of this, a lot of that. So these are the things you need to look for on your Twitter page right here. So once you get all of this on your Twitter page, you are ready to move on to the next step. Once you find a project you want to do or you want to get involved with, let me take, for example, the AI Arena. So right now, the AI Arena is one of my favorite projects. That's why I'm saying AI Arena a lot. Once you're ready to get into their project, just click on the link in their profile. Most of them have their Discord links in their profile. So once you click on that, you are ready to go. So let's wait for this to load up and we'll get into their Discord. So once you click on their official link, you can see their official Discord server. Click on this and it should open up in your Discord app or on your Discord, right? So if you're on a smartphone, it should open up on your Discord app and join their server. You can see right here, I'm already in their server. I can chat right now. Blah, 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 blah. I hope I don't get banned for typing nonsense, but it's all good. So once you're in their Discord server, you need to find a way to get their whitelist. Now, a whitelist simply means it gives you access to mint their NFT, right? If you want to mint an NFT, you need to get access to that whitelist, right? So getting whitelisted means that your wallet address has been added to the contract so that when you interact with the contract, you are able to get your NFT. So you can see there, let me go here first, rank rows. you can see these are the roles and these are how you can get them. So you want to make sure you look for how to get their whitelist in their server. If you don't find that, you can just go into the general chat. I think, is this general chat? I'm not sure. I saw the general chat just now. Where is it? Just go into one of the charts, right? Just go into one of the charts, guys. General chat right here. So what you need to do is get to one of the charts and click on how to get whitelist. So you get replied by a DM or somebody from the community that will tell you this is how you get your whitelist. Just type how to get whitelist. Just type WL and they will tell you exactly what you need to do to get your whitelist. As you can see, this is my profile. I'm not whitelisted yet, so I'm still grinding. I'm grinding for this whitelist right here. And I can tell you that some of these projects will not give you a lot of money, but they will still give you something to give you hope that yes, you can actually make it in this NFT space. And some of these projects will give you a large sum of money that you don't even need to grind anymore. You don't even need to participate in getting whitelist. You can just grab one from the NFT marketplace. So that's basically it about staying connected. Now we move on to the next step. After you've gotten your whitelist, you need to wait for the for them to announce the mint date and the mint time, whatever. So that is when you are going to mint your NFT. So they are going to post a link. I think I minted one NFT yesterday. So this right here. Announcement. So yesterday I minted this right here. So they are going to send you a link on how you can get your NFT. So take for example, this is where you are going to mint. Click on this. You connect your wallet and you mint your NFT. So mind you, some of these NFT mintings are free mints, guys. So some of them are free mints and some of them are. So I cannot get into this because the mint is over. So that's basically why it's showing like this. But once you are ready to mint, there should be something similar like that. Just connect your wallet and click on your mint button and you should be good to go. So as time goes on, you understand more about all this NFT stuff. You understand a lot more on how it works. Let's check this out on Luxray or something. So these are platforms that you use to sell your NFTs if you get whitelisted for a project and you mint successfully. So now you actually need some Ethereum to get started with this. So it's not just you mint for free. To perform a transaction on the NFT or on the Ethereum chain or the Solana chain or the Polygon chain, you need some funds to activate your transactions. So that's basically it, guys. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you have any questions, I would love to hear your questions in the description or in the comment section rather. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. Peace.